Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove all viruses from iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to remove all viruses from your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you have to open your settings and there go for general and then go for iPhone storage, and from here you have to make sure that you haven't installed any unknown app here, or if you found any unknown apps which you don't recognize, so you just have to delete the app, because sometimes it might be that you have downloaded or installed any unknown apps which might contains viruses or malware, so you must have to delete the app from here. And then you just have to go back and open apps, and here go for Safari app or the browser which you are using. So in my case I'm using Safari, so select that, and here just scroll down and look for the option of clear history and website data. So you must have to select that option, and here select all history and then enable this toggle for all tabs, and then select clear history option. So it will clear all the history of your Safari or any other browser. So because sometimes it might be that your browser might include some viruses, so it will be fixed in this step. And once you have done, you just have to open up your Apple ID here, and here you just have to select iTunes or iCloud. So you have to open settings, go for Apple ID, and here select iCloud, and here you have to select drive and then select manage storage, and here you have to delete your downloads folder. So you just have to select download folder if you have any download folder here, and you might have to delete your download folder because your download folder might include viruses. So once you have done, you have to go back, and here it might be that all of the viruses will be deleted from your phone, because there's only two or some ways which can affect your phone using virus. So if you are still having any virus in your phone and you doubt, you must have to open settings, then go for your Apple ID, and here you have to select iCloud, and you have to look for iCloud backup, and you just have to select backup no option. So you must have to get a backup of your phone, and once you have backed up your phone, you have to go for general and then go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and here you have to select continue and then enter your password and all the formality which you have. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that you have a backup of your data and you have saved all of your accounts or passwords, because in this way everything on your phone will be deleted. So once you have done, you just have to continue this step, and after that all everything on your phone will be deleted. It will delete every virus which affects on your phone. So in this way you can easily remove all viruses from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.